I never knew what the man hit on my head. I fell immediately.
ló jẹ́ pé àtòrí àti ibi tí ẹ̀dá bá ṣe ní ó padà wá kẹsàn sórí omi àwọn tó rò pé wọn lè padà wá ṣe olóore tó ń ṣe níbi lónìí òní ni wọ́n rí ó dáa jù wọ́n lọ lónìí àmọ́ tó bá dọ̀la wọ́n lè padà wá dáa jù ọ́ lọ nígbà àgbà kó jẹ́ wípé kódà ìwọ ló tún wá máa wá orí lọ́wọ́ wọn eléyìí ni tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Genesis máa fẹ́ kí èmi àti yín kájọ farabalẹ̀ ká gbọ́ bí Genesis ṣàlàyé bí Olódùmarè ṣe sọ ẹ̀gàn àná tó sọ di ògo ẹni tó rò wípé níṣẹ́ ló yẹ kí wọ́n pa Genesis ṣùgbọ́n tí wọn ò pa tó padà wá dẹni tí ayé mọ̀ àmẹ́ni tó gbèrò kí wọ́n pààyàn ó padà wá dẹni tí ó ń gbé báàgì Genesis ní airport ọ̀rẹ́ tá lọ̀rẹ́ tí wọ́n àti ẹjọ́ rìn tó jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ tímọ́tímọ́ rẹ̀ tó finú tán ṣùgbọ́n tí wọ́n ò finú tán tó fi ọ́ tọkàntọkàn ṣùgbọ́n tí wọ́n ò fẹ́ tọkàntọkàn rántí wípé tó o bá ṣerú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ ní jàǹbá lónìí tọ́lọ́run ò bá ní kí jàǹbá tó ṣe ó gba ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ tó bá wá dọ̀la tí irú ẹ̀ bá dèèyàn látó dèèyàn pàtàkì láwùjọ tó wá nílò ìrànlọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tó rò pé yóò sì ṣe fún ọ ẹ jẹ́ á sinmi ibi ẹ jẹ́ á mú orí nípa ẹ jẹ́ kí èmi àti nígbà pé orí ní gbé ìkà náà ò kì í gbé gbogbo ohun tá a bá ṣe pátá òun náà la ó kẹsàn ẹ gbọ́ ohun tí Genesis ohun tí wọ́n wí ìtàn ayé bàbá yìí òun ló fi ń bá àwọn ọmọdé ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ Olódùmarè jẹ́ kẹtàn ní àná jẹ́ kó padà wá di ògo fún mi lónìí ẹ gbọ́ tí Genesis ẹ gbọ́ tó sọ.
jẹ́ kọ̀ǹdọ́tọ̀ ìdájí lèèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ tètè dé di mọ́tò wọ́n pè nìkan ní pleasure tá a bá lọ sóṣòdì ibẹ̀ làwọn ọmọ olú ẹ̀ máa ń tò sí ọ̀rẹ́ mi kan ń gbé bẹ̀ mo wá ní kí n lọ sùn sílé ẹ̀ kí n lè jí ṣe kọ̀ǹdọ́tọ̀ láàárọ̀ ṣùgbọ́n gbà tó di aago 10 àbọ̀ ó bá jí mi délé òní lè sùn bí lálẹ́ yìí mo ní alágbàdo nílé wa báwọn máa ṣe fẹ́ lọlé ó ní mi mọ bó ṣe máa ṣe ó lé mi bọ́ta ó dẹ̀ ti bímọ kan gbà yẹn mo bẹ́ẹ̀ mò ń ké bóyá omijé mi á ti ẹ̀ jẹ́ kó ṣàánú mi ó bá tilẹ̀kùn pa àwọn tó nílé bá ní kí n bọ́ta náà wọ́n ti fẹ́ tilẹ̀kùn wájú ilé mo bá bọ́ta mo wá rìn lọ mi ò mọ bí tí n máa yà sí mo ń fomi jẹ́ rìn lọ.
Weeping and walking.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo rántí ìyá mi ń lé.
I remembered my mother at home.
ìyá mi ò dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé kọ̀ǹdọ́tọ̀ ni mo lọ ṣe.
Mother never knew I went for conducting job.
torí mi ò kí ń sọ fún inú tí máa fẹ́ lọ ṣiṣẹ́ site tí máa fẹ́ lọ ṣiṣẹ́ kọ̀ǹdọ́tọ̀ tí mi kì í sọ torí wọ́n lè má jẹ́ kí n lọ kò dé sí nǹkan kan létà máa jẹ.
I will not tell her what I want to go and do because she won't allow me to go because we don't have anything to eat.
bí mo ṣe rìn lọ.
As I was walking,
mo wá rí mọ́tò tán páàkì lẹ́sàárì títì.
I saw a parked car.
mọ́tò yẹn ti gbó.
It was old.
bọ́ọ̀sì ni.
A bus.
wọ́n dalẹ̀ sínú ẹ̀.
They were pouring dirt in it.
ilẹ̀ pọ̀ nú ẹ̀.
There were dirt in it.
mo wá wọnú mọ́tò yẹn.
I entered into the bus.
mo sùn sínú ilẹ̀ yẹn.
I slept in the dirt.
lánàá ọba tó wà bẹ̀ mo kákò síbẹ̀.
I folded myself.
mo ń sùn lọ́wọ́.
Was sleeping.
mo kàn rí táwọn kan tọ́nà sí mi nínú bẹ́ẹ̀
I
ni.
saw some people put a torchlight on me.
ayé ìgbà yẹn ni vigilante ń rìn.
Then we have vigilantes.
àṣẹ gbogbo àwọn lálọ́ àdúgbò yẹn máa ń ṣe vigilante.
The landlord in that community do the vigilante.
ọba ikán bá ń pariwo ikán ní wọ́n ní.
One of them said, "This is one of them.
wọ́n ní àti mú kan.
We have catch up on him."
àṣàwò lè máa wá sádùúgbò yẹn.
Not knowing that thief comes to that community.
wọ́n ní ikán ní wọn rè tó máa ń deposit sádùúgbò tó máa fi ń rí ibi sílẹ̀kùn lóru.
They said this is one of them deposited in this community to open doors.
ọwọ́ mi bọ́ta.
I was drawn out.
wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní nà mí.
Started beating.
wọ́n nà mí. wọ́n fa gbogbo aṣọ ara mi ya.
Tear all my clothes.
mo wá ń kó ti Bible.
I was quoting Bible verses.
mo wá ń gbàdúrà mo wá ń pariwo màmí.
Was praying, shouting my mother.
mo wá ń pariwo màmí.
I was shouting my mother.
mo wá ń kọrin CAC.
I was singing CAC song.
nípa ìfẹ́ olùgbàlà kì yóò sí nǹkan.
By the love of God, there will be nothing.
bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ nà mí.
They were beating me.
wọ́n ti mutí.
They were all drunk.
ẹnìkan wá ní eléyìí tó ń kọrin chọ́ọ̀chì yìí ẹ tiẹ̀
I said my friend sent me out of his house. I want to do a conducting job.
At Pleasure bus stop.
They began to beat me. Blood was gushing out. The mouth was gushing out of blood. There is a scar in the mouth. The mouth was filled with blood. Blood was all over the body. One of the landlords said, let's follow him to his friend's house before he will be killed. But if we take it to your friend's house, if it's a lie, you never knew anyone, today will be the day you die. They were taking me to the place. When we got to Abeokuta Street, we knocked the door of the house. We called on the friend. When he opened the door, everyone in that house came out. As they opened the door, they called him, come and see your friend. When he came out to see me, blood, I was naked. When he saw me, he said, he's your friend. He said, he never knew me. He said, I don't know you. I never knew what the man hit on my head. I fell immediately. They brought me up. I was taken along the road, thinking that to burn me off. But at the middle of the night, I never knew how they couldn't get matches. What I knew was, I never knew where I was. Whitish. Never heard anything. In the morning, early in the morning, it was daybreak. I saw myself beside a woman that's hawking buns. They've used clothes to clean my body. She used one wrapper to cover my body. She thought I was dead, but knew I was still breathing. We want to pray. It got to a day I was traveling to America.
First class.
I was riding on first class. The person was pushing the luggage. When he was pushing the luggage, he was watching my face. I was looking at him, but never resembled who I knew. He is now like an aged person. He said, Dele. I called his name. Who is the person? It was my friend that drove me out in his house while I was to do a conductor job, that I was beaten, stripped naked, that I fainted. He said, Dele, please don't be annoyed. It is the work of the devil. I'm only hearing Genesis around. I never knew you were the one. He said he never knew he was the one that would call to push your luggage. You want to leave the luggage to speak.
Are you stupid?
The boss said, he was pushing it to stylish. When I would give him money, I never knew how I packed money. It seems it's $100 or $500. He collected the money. His hands were shaking. He was weeping. Was sent back. I said, where are you living? He said, that same house. What is this bringing out? Don't look down on yourself. Wipe away your tears. Joy cometh tomorrow. When the captivity of Zion was restored, it's as if they were dreaming. My friend, don't be annoyed if you see this video. I'm not mentioning your name. For those working in airport will not know you. But I want to use your word to pray. The reproach of yesterday is now a celebration of today. The weeping of yesterday has become the laughing of today. Will you pray? Oh Lord, turn my reproach of yesterday, let it become the glory of today. My mockery of yesterday,
látòní lọ.
Let it be a celebration of today.
Ìtàn ẹkún mi àná.
My story of weeping yesterday.
Sọ di ẹ̀rín látòní lọ.
Let it be a talk of laughter today.